Dear friends, I hope you are well. Unfortunately, it has been a long time since we were able to meet in person. At the upcoming TCT show 2021, which will be held from the 26th to the 28th May at Shanghai's National Exhibition and Convention Center, you will have the chance to see the latest YIZUMI innovations concerning 3D printing. Our additive manufacturing team on site will present a competitive 3D printer technology by a precise printing process and a fast manufacturing technique. Finally, you can get in live contact with our German Innovation Center, which will bring you in the position to track live how smart and simple the production on two different continents can be. Since there are still global travel restrictions and we may not meet in person, you can always follow up with our innovation on the YIZUMI official YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Connect China and Europe, a smarter future. See you soon.